Hello everyone, let me share with you how to turn on the lights. As you can see, here is a button. Let's press the button once to turn on the light and press the button again to turn off the light. Same button, press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn on the breathing light, and press and hold again for 3 seconds to turn off the breathing light. Same button, press and hold the button for 6 seconds to end the change mode of the breathing light. In this mode, the 3 colors will be changed cyclically. When you like the color, release the button. Thank you for watching.